Christopher was diagnosed with what they call now dystonic cerebral palsy. It's a rare form of cerebral palsy. It's from damage to the basal ganglia in the brain.
Christopher is now 14 years old. His mother, Joanne Barker, a single mom, has always been his primary caregiver.
The reality is this: nobody can care for your child the way you can yourself. Nobody's willing to put in that 24/7 and do the things that are disgusting or awful or whatever has to be done to keep your child healthy, happy, and safe.
Today, because of her dedication, Joanne was one of 3 people to receive the VHA Home Health Care Heart of the Home Care Award.
It means a great deal. It's nice to know that someone notices that you're doing the things you should do, and that it means that someone's paying attention to what people give up to help others.
A role that experts say is becoming more and more important.
If we expect families to keep their loved ones at home, we need to support them. And families are the backbone of home care.
Today, Joanne and Christopher and the other recipients were also treated to a special lunch, a treat that Joanne doesn't often get to enjoy.
Oh, it's fabulous. We don't get out often, so it's really great. The kids are really going to enjoy it.
We have had such a glorious time together all these years. We still have our good times, not like they were, but
Fred and Elizabeth Heaney have been married for 64 years. For the last 10 years, 86-year-old Fred has been the primary caregiver to 88-year-old Elizabeth, who has Alzheimer's.
our doctor had said to me, "You should be looking for a place to Elizabeth to spend long term." And I says, "No."
It's a 24/7 job. And for his dedication, today Fred was awarded the VHA Home Healthcare Heart of the Home Care Award.
Someday it may come to that I cannot look after her at home. But as long as I can, I'm planning on looking after her at home.
A role that experts say is becoming more and more important.
If we expect families to keep their loved ones at home, we need to support them. And families are the backbone of home care.
For Fred, it was all about love.
It's not the easiest job, but it's when you love someone and been with them for a long time, there seems to be no problem.
I have a son, Kevin, who has a disease by the name of myositis ossificans, which is very rare.
And Dora has been Kevin's primary caregiver for 51 years.
I thought, well, if this is the way it's going to be, you've got to get on with it and do the best you can.
My mom's been everything I've always needed and always been there to motivate me when I needed motivating and help me when I needed helping.
For Dora's incredible dedication, today she was awarded the VHA Home Healthcare Heart of the Home Care Award.
I said to my doctor one time, if I ever get these 3 boys raised, I think I deserve a medal. And he said, I think so too, but he said, I don't know who's going to give it to you. But I said, this is my medal.
You got it today.
Yes, I did.
A role that experts say is becoming more and more important.
If we expect families to keep their loved ones at home, we need to support them. And families are the backbone of home care.
Dora and 2 other award recipients were also treated to a special lunch today, an outing Dora very rarely gets to enjoy.
This is the first time I've been out for lunch in, I don't know, a few years.
So it's a well-deserved break for you.
It certainly is, and quite an experience.
Well, in total, there were 3 caregivers awarded for their dedication today. You can see all 3 stories on our website. Audra Brown, City News.